of color theory. So now color theory is one of the most important aspects when it comes to graphic design, because each color actually portrays a certain mood. Right? So as you can see right here on this color wheel, so these colors on the right hand side, mainly from the red to yellow, it invokes a very warm feeling, right? And over here on the right hand, on the other side, the colors from purple to light blue and also somewhat green, it invokes a sense of relaxation, and it's mainly wintry type of color, right? And as you can also see another thing, that the colors from red to yellow, these portions are more striking and it's more striking to the eye, whereas these colors are more soothing and more relaxing to the eye, right? One good example of how colors actually play an important role when it comes to designing a logo, or when you're trying to convey a specific message across to your audience. So take McDonald's and KFC as an example, okay? So picture those logos in your mind and you'll notice the color scheme that they use. So it's mainly red, yellow and orange to an extent, right? So these two companies use these colors mainly for two reasons. One, because these colors, red and orange, red, orange, yellow, white, there's very little white hue actually. It's mainly red, orange and yellow. These three colors are very, very striking to the eye. So even if you are driving somewhere and you see their logo at a distance, when you come closer you can immediately recognize their logo because it stands out. And secondly, these colors also invoke a sense of hunger, right? And whereas picture Starbucks now. So Starbucks mainly uses dark green because darker green and also darker shades of blue, they invoke a sense of relaxation to the eye, and hence when you go inside a Starbucks outlet, you will see comfortable sofas, chairs, and you can just go there to unwind and have a cup of coffee, right? So in the next few videos, I will be talking more in depth about the psychological effect of colors to the mind. But in this video, I will be talking about different color combinations and how you can use these color combinations in your illustration. Okay. So before I go ahead with that, I would like to talk about three things first. Mainly the hue, saturation, value and shade. Okay. So when I say shade, the name suggests that it's a darker color or a darker shade of a certain color, right? Hue is mainly another word for a color. Saturation means the intensity of a certain color, right? So the more brighter a color is, the more intense the color is. And lastly, value. Value is mainly like how much darkness or light you can use in the color, right? Now let's move ahead to the color combinations right here. So there are 6 types of color combinations that we graphic designers use in our illustration. So one by one, the first one being the complementary colors. The complementary color is basically two colors across the color wheel, right? So in this it's red and green. Similarly, it'll be orange and blue. Like it'll be purple and yellow, this reddish purple with light green. So you can use complementary colors like that, which is like right across the color wheel. Coming to the next one, this tetradic colors. Tetradic colors form a rectangle across the color wheel like this. So you can use 4 different colors in the tetradic color combination in your illustration. So as you can see right here, there's dark blue, light blue, yellowish orange, and reddish orange like that. Coming to the triadic colors, this forms a perfect triangle in a color wheel and basically means triadic means 3. So these use 3 colors which are equally spaced out in the color wheel. This is orange red, yellow and green, and bluish purple. Excuse the text for now because it looks very blurry, but you get the main idea right here. Right? And notice how these colors are equally placed and it forms a perfect triangle. Coming down here to this monochromatic color scheme, it's just darker and lighter shade of the same color. And it's guaranteed to match irrespective of which color you take. So I mean, monochromatic is one of the most commonly used color combination because it's so easy to use, and you can see it's going from dark maroon to light pink, and you can see the different color schemes right here. Coming to the next one, which is the analogous colors. Analogous colors use the shades which are right next to each other on the color wheel. So right here it's light green, yellow, and orange. Similarly, you can use, you can play around with different analogous colors as well. Like you can take bluish green, blue, dark blue, or probably more in the reds and orange, which is red purple, red, orangish red, right? And lastly, coming to the split complementary. Split complementary takes either side of the same complement and it's the same level of contrast, right? So if we take the complementary, which is yellow to purple, it goes like that and it gets split into 2 parts like this. So one is like a more pinkish shade with a dark shade. And you can see the palette over here, the split complementary also looks very soothing to the eye. So keep these color combinations in mind, take down notes if you have to, and then these color combinations will come in handy if you're when you are designing your illustration.